Okay, so this is the design, and let's get started with this top bar where it shows the collected resources. So at the moment in my previous design, not much of a design, so it's like this. So let's change that part into look like this design. Alright, let me open a new content browser. It's easier that way. UI, where's the inventory? Right here. Okay, so here is the inventory. So first let's hide this crafting panel. So we have only the stuff we need for now. So actually I'm gonna omit this part for now because I don't have a map or quest screen or abilities or anything, only the inventory. So I will keep this area blank for now, and let's start with this bar. So right, which is this one. Okay, so how do we get started? First do we have a reference image here? No, we don't. So I'll drag and drop that this image as a reference, and here let's wrap the canvas panel with the border, and I'll set padding to 0 as the image. Select the border, and as the image use this imported image like this. And I'll toggle the visibility of this background blur panel. Right, now let's start fixing this. Can I hide the other active elements panel too? So let's add another canvas panel. Right here I'll name it panel elements. I'll make it acquire the whole space. Right, and I'll put everything related to these elements inside that and hide it. Button file also should be in. Oh wait, why can't I move it in? What's happening there? Shall we close this and open? Oh, now it crashed. Let me restart. Right after restart I had to redo that canvas panel for the active elements, so now it is there. I'll name it panel active elements. Okay, right now first in this horizontal box, what is this image? Alright, so I'll first disable this image, delete this image, we don't need that. And then let's move this horizontal bar to match with this bar in the design, like this, and I'll set the offsets of the horizontal bar like this. Okay, now here we have the text collected resources with this image. So I have imported this top one like this. It would be clear if I show it in like this. Here this is where we have the collected resources text, and this is where we have the resources, the background of the resource counters. Okay, so now I'll here these are images. Oh wait, temporary, let's move this part out and let's have I'll put another horizontal box and let's keep adding elements to that, so it would be easier. Oh, let's just set this image. Let's make it indent to left, align to left, and as the image I'll give this top bar too. Right, it I think it perfectly matches. Let's see. Oh, not exactly. But we can match it. Right, I think we should have another bar and start from scratch. So let me copy only this horizontal box and paste. Oh wait, no, let me hide this. I delete this image as well, and let's hide this and add another horizontal box. Let's call it top panel. Okay. Alright, now let's add an image to this, and as the image I'll use this top bar too. Right, and also I'll add another image. For that I'll give top bar 1. Okay, actually the sizes doesn't fit properly. This what if I make it 1080? Right, we can change the size here. Let me slightly make it transparent. Okay, and right, 440 should be the width. Let's move this border a little bit. Alright, now the size matches better. Okay, that's better. Right, now the second image. Let's make that also semi-transparent. Actually it doesn't have to be semi-transparent, just need to match the end. Even if it exceeds that, it shouldn't be a problem, but let's try to match. Okay, there is a slight mismatch, but I guess it's alright. Right, now let's name this counter bar. Resource counter bar. Collected resources pg. Here let's add the text. Oh, we can't add a text for this. Okay, right, so how do we have a text here? Let's wrap this with another canvas panel. I'll set the canvas panel to fill. Right, now this one should take the space of the whole canvas panel of that part. Okay, now I'll add a text like this, text block. It should be after this image. Let's set the anchors like this. text is collected resources and it's a different font. So I have this Trajan Pro 3, Trajan Pro regular. These are the fonts that I have. Do I have? I already imported these fonts. No. Let's import them. Okay. Trajan Pro regular. Yeah, I guess that's the font. Okay. Now we need to match this. Right. I guess this size is okay. Alright. And now I'll select this background and make it non-transparent. Okay, first part is done. Next part is adding these counters. So actually I have already added them like this. Sorry, I thought I paused the recording. I was thinking how to do that. Okay, now let's drag red leaf and red count, green leaf and green count. Okay, let's put this all under, oh, we can't edit under that. Can we replace this with oh, we can't replace it also because that's an image. So let's wrap this just like we did for this part. Let's wrap this with the canvas panel and set it to fill. No, what did we do here? Fill. Oh wait, actually do we have to, this one, should this be a horizontal bar? Let's replace this with the canvas panel so we wouldn't have any complexity. Whoa. Right, now this canvas panel, let's match it with this. Okay, and this image, let's wrap that also with another canvas panel. Yes, and let's move it. Oh, sorry. Let's set that canvas panel to acquire the rest of it, like this, and this image should acquire the whole space. Right, now we should be able to basically bring everything that we have here inside this panel. So let me make it visible and put it under this canvas panel. I'll set the anchors like this. Okay, and actually we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 type of counters, and in the design also we have 6. Okay, great. Let's scale it like this. Image sizes. What's the ideal size? About 16 by 16. Oh, we can't set it. Right. Because size is dictated by the horizontal box. Right, let's reduce the render opacity of this horizontal bar. Okay, and now we can match the scale like this. Select all the counters and I'll select Trajan Pro, the size. Let's try 15 or 14. Yeah, I guess 14 is good. Okay. Right. Now I guess this part is fine for now actually. Yeah, now let me enable this and hide the set the border opacity to 0. Right, and let's see how this looks in the okay. Okay, that part looks fine except these things, but we can work on that. Alright, and for now I'm not going to change these icons because all the icons that I have in the design is white, so I'm going to keep these icons for now. And it has already taken about 25 minutes, so I'm going to stop this part right here, and in the next part I'm going to continue with the rest of the stuff that I have in the inventory. That means this bar and these portions and these weapons. Or maybe we should complete that part too, this part too. Right, let's complete that part. Let me make this visible, the reference, and here we need another image for this. I think I already have the slice for that. Yeah, level. Let's add an image. Level bar. Actually we should have a progress bar for this, but for now I'll just use the image so that we know where it goes as a placeholder. I haven't implemented the progress or level up feature yet, so we can use this placeholder for now and replace it with the progress bar later on. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks bad when the screen size changes, but it looks alright in the full screen. Maybe we might have to, yeah, let's set the anchors like this. Oh, for the level bar it should be like this basically. And this badge, do we have that badge here? Right, yeah, level. Okay, it's a bit larger, but that's fine. I'm not. Let's copy these anchors and add the text. To the same canvas panel. I'll name it level number and paste the anchor values and set all the offsets like this. As the text, I'll set the level to 1. It should be centered from both ways. So how to center it? Okay. All right. So we have that part too now. Again, I'll hide the border and active elements. Let's move it. Oh, we can't move it like that. Can we move it all together? For now, yes. Enable the blur again. Okay, now we have completed the top bar, and I'm gonna stop this episode right here, and in the next part let's look into implementing these areas. Right, so project files will be available for the download here in the Patreon page, and if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. And thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.